Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch GT 5 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen. And then you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called the display and brightness. Once you find it, tap on it. And here, by default, the automatic brightness it will be enabled. So if you want to change the brightness to a specific level and you want it to stay at that level, you will need to disable the automatic brightness by tapping on the switch. Then you can tap on brightness, and here you can adjust the screen brightness by swiping on the slider. And once you're done adjusting the brightness, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.